Max, wait! Don't run too fast. Look, a little chick. It is very cute. Can we say hello? Yes, let's be gentle. Let's explore the farm.
Hello, little chick. Good morning. Where is your home? I think it lives there. The chick is so soft. Yes, it is very cute. Let's walk slowly. Don't scare the chick. Wow, a big cow. Hello, cow. What is the cow eating? It is eating green grass. The cow looks happy. I like cows. Me too. Look, a sheep and a baby lamb. Can you hear them? That is funny. The lamb is so small. It is very sweet. Look, so many vegetables. They are fresh. What is your favorite vegetable? I like carrots. I like corn. Vegetables help us grow. Let's eat healthy food. Look at the ducks. They can swim. How many ducklings can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. They are so cute. They stay together. Hello, horse. Good morning. Can the horse run fast? Yes, it can. The horse is beautiful. I like its long tail. Let's wave goodbye. The chick found its family. Is the chick safe now? Yes, it is with its mother. That makes me smile. Families stay together. Let's keep exploring the farm. Wow, so many apples. They look fresh. What color is this apple? It is bright red. I want an apple. Let's pick one together. Thank you. Look at the tractor. It is very big. What color is it? It is green. I like this tractor. It helps on the farm. The farm is amazing. What? I am hungry. Let's eat together. This apple is sweet. I like fresh fruit. Did you enjoy the farm? Yes, I loved every minute. Me too. Today we learned about farm animals. We also learned new English words. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Be kind to animals, eat healthy food, and keep learning English every day.